Hello everyone, I'm Odie and I welcome you all in your own channel Why Not Academy. Today we are going to see plant life cycle and we are going to listen amazing story A Big Dream of Tommy Tomato. Tommy was a small seed. All big fruits and vegetables used to laugh on him. He was very upset and angry, and he decided he will grow big, bigger, and biggest. But how? He remembered one day Odie told about the life cycle of plant. To grow plant, you need sunlight, soil, air, water, and little patience. He started drinking every drop of water and hid under the soil to grow into a big plant. He sprouted a tiny root deep into the ground. Then he pushed out a small green stem and leaves that reached to sky to catch sunlight with all his strength. Little by little, Tommy was growing and he grew as a very big tomato, as if he is king of all the tomatoes. Knowing he had achieved his dream, Tommy had left behind a secret message: grow big and tasty, just like me. And so the cycle began again. So let's understand the plant life cycle, how plant is growing from small seed to big plant. First is a seed. It consists of outer coat which gives protection. Embryo, that is a baby plant inside the seed. It has immature leaves and cotyledon which store the food to nourish the baby plant. To germinate and sprout, seed undergo first imbibition. The seed absorbs water, softens and swell by the process of imbibition. It helps the seed coat to break. In germination, a small germ sprouting out. Sprout grows and form a tiny root to grow downward into soil to absorb water and nutrients. Next you have a seedling, that is a baby plant. Soon a baby plant emerges above the ground searching for sunlight. The cotyledons provide food at first, but later it falls away as the plant grows leaves. Root grows deeper and stem becomes stronger. The seedling is then turned into the adult plant. The baby plant grows into a mature plant with strong roots and stem, larger leaves and branches having flowers and fruits. Adult plant undergo pollination to produce seeds from fruits or flowers. Which are very important to attract insects like bees, butterflies, various birds for pollination. Pollen is transferred between flower leading to formation of fruit which protects and carry the seed. These seeds are spread by wind, animals or water and start the cycle again. Both flowers and fruits are very essential for survival of the plant. So plants are like human body. Their roots are like shoes, gives them strong support and foundation. The stem is like spine. They have leaves which act as a lung for breathing. The beautiful face is in the form of flowers, and sweet fruits are a medal of their all hard work. You can do small experiment to understand life cycle of the plant. For that, you need a transparent plastic or a glass cup, cotton or soil, or even you can use tissue paper, water, green gram seeds, and sunny corner. You can use any fast growing seed. Place cotton or soil in a cup. Sprinkle the seed and water and keep at a sunny corner to observe daily. In 1 or 2 days, the seed absorbs water and swells. In 3 to 4 days, tiny root will emerge, and in 6 to 8 days, small shoot will come out. And in 10 or more days, the leaves will appear and the plant will grow. So this is how your plant will appear. Do you know some fact about the plants? That plants make their own food through a process which is called as photosynthesis. This happens in the leaves, which are like tiny food factories of the plant. Leaves contain green pigment, which is called as chlorophyll, that traps sunlight, combines carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Extra glucose is converted into starch and stored in various parts of the plant. Plants never stop growing. They grow till end of their life. And plant can grow without soil. Plant can grow in water or on tissue paper or filter paper. In hydroponics, the plant can grow in water with nutrient solution instead of soil. The age of plant is decided by number of concentric circles. Each circle is equivalent to 1 year, and we can decide the plant is how many years old based upon how many circles are there on the wood. Another magical fact is plant leaves can change their color. Young leaves are light in color or even reddish due to presence of anthocyanins. Mature leaves are green color because of the pigment chlorophyll, which is responsible for photosynthesis. On aging, the chlorophyll breaks down into carotenoid and anthocyanins, which is red and orange in color. Young stem is also green in color because of chlorophyll, helping plant to perform photosynthesis. But as leaves develop, it turns brown, woody due to development of lignin and provides structural strength. Plants are very important for life. They have made earth alive because of the oxygen. Plant takes carbon dioxide and release oxygen during day. At night, plant cannot do photosynthesis due to absence of sunlight, and they release very less amount of carbon dioxide. The plant cycle starts with seed and ends with seed in fruit or flower. This amazing cycle keep happening and helping plants to grow and make new plants. Even if you start small, the hard work and determination can grow into something extraordinary. This we can definitely learn from the plant cycle. So plants are our best friend. Plant more trees for better tomorrow. Stay curious and keep experimenting. Keep watching Why Not Academy and see you into the next video.